In front of me is EMPORIA Smart 6, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by launching two apps in the background. Then access background apps and click on the icon of an app that you wish to use on the top half of your screen. Then select Split Top and tap on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both of them at the same time. To go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!